Our next award is the TCT Hardware Award Polymer Systems 2023. For the second of our two hardware awards, we are looking for 3D printing or additive manufacturing technologies which push the boundaries of polymer processing, bringing innovative improvements or entirely new technologies to the table. A highly commended project in this category is Magnum by the Industry. Congratulations there. And now for the winner of the TCT Hardware Award Polymer Systems 2023, Automation Ecosystem by Formlabs.
Formlabs Automation Ecosystem enables a scalable fleet of multi-user, multi-material 3D printers. Using a combination of form auto part removal, fleet control software management, and high volume resin, the automation ecosystem reduces the amount of operator labor and minimises idle printer time so users can efficiently produce end-use parts at a lower cost per unit.
It's definitely a surprise, and thanks to my boss to approve my ticket to come to UK. Thank you.